एम्पियर क्या हो गया बराबर ना तो करंट करी હવે डेफिनेशन of ampere. This is the SI definition of ampere. बराबर ने 1 ampere is that constant current maintained in long parallel straight conducting wires. આટલા એડજેક્ટિવ આ દિવસ સુધી કોઈ વાઇબ્રા નથી. 1 2 3 4 5 બરાબર ને 1 ampere is that constant current when maintained in two thin long parallel straight conducting wires placed in vacuum at a distance of 1 meter results in a force of acting per meter between equal લખવાનું અહીંયા equal લખવાનું ચલો આપણે ભૂલી જાવ per meter between and blank game theory so that you don't memorize it. I mean, you can try and memorize, nothing wrong with memorizing it. Okay. So what we are doing here is we are thinking that if there are two long straight parallel wires which are carrying equal current, and how much distance is there between them? 1 meter. Okay or not okay? Then how much should be the force acting per meter? Force acting per meter means that force per length, force per unit length. Did you understand? So this is telling us that F by L should be some value. Okay, then the current is called 1 ampere. अच्छा तो ઊંધું વિચારો જ્યારે તમે ઓલી વેલ્યુ ભૂલી જાઓ અત્યારે ભૂલી નથી ગયો પણ હું તમને ડેમોન્સ્ટ્રેટ કરું તો કે લખના થાય ભૂલી ગયો આ સમજાય કે છે હાર્ડ નથી સમજાણું નથી ને mu0 i1 i2 by 2 pi r તો આ ડિરાઈવ કરી દીધી ને f by l equal to mu0 i1 i2 by 2 pi r clear okay so mu0 upon 2 pi એટલે 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 okay yes current 1 ampere defined error and 2 pi to the r is 1 did you understand clear or not clear બીજી રીતે સમજાવો that is suppose you put two long parallel wires and you find out how much force is acting per unit length if you put two long parallel wires and you find out how much force is acting per unit length and that force turns out to be 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter then whatever current is flowing in that wire that current must be equal to 1 ampere I need definitely here okay what if the force is more than 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 newton then the current will be more than 1 and so on so did you understand okay what you are writing એટલે સમજાય 1 ampere is that constant equal current some current is called 1 ampere in which case when that is flowing into wires thin long parallel blah 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 and at a distance of 1 meter and the force between them is 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 newton per meter okay then that current is 1 ampere otherwise it's not 1 ampere clear this is the SI definition of ampere only 1 coulomb flowing per second is not SI definition why because ampere is a fundamental unit યાદ છે બરાબર ને એટલે coulomb ની definition ઉપરથી ampere ની definition કરવી બરાબર નથી did you get it okay we actually doing the other way right સમજાવવામાં 2 * 10 - ન્યૂટન કે તે લખના થાય ન આવડે તો કઈ વાંધો નહીં યાદ રાખવાની જરૂર નથી આ તો મેં આ થોડા ક્લાસમાં ભણાવેલું મને યાદ બરાબર નહીતર આમાં વેલ્યુ મૂકવાનું ઓકે understood the definition now force somebody you are going to okay assignment okay topic 1 has been completed topic 2 also completed આપણે એમાં એક 9 ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે કરવાના છે ને yes or no બરાબર ચલો ચલો ફટાફટ કરા so for the situation shown in the figure આનો તમને પ્રેક્ટિસ મટીરીયલ તો આપું છું ને કેટલા નામ થઈ ગયા સાથે સાથે કરતા જવાનું પ્રેક્ટિસ થાય એક ટોપિક આમાં પૂરો થાય એટલે તમે કરી નાખો so this is the diagram current is flowing as shown in these wires this length is b and this length is a this distance is a and l is a l હોય એવું લાગે right now what's the question for the situation shown in the figure find the force experienced by the side mn of the rectangular loop then we have to find force experienced by mn is mn a straight wire is this a straight wire yes okay so force between two parallel wires okay but we have a formula for force per length and length l so f by l ની વેલ્યુ શું લખું mu 0 પછી I1 પછી I2 upon 2 pi 2 pi a is that clear okay or not okay yes fine so f ની વેલ્યુ શું આવી mu 0 I1 I2 L by 2 pi સમજાઈ ગયું this is the force acting on what on mn did you get it આવી રીતે સપોઝ ઓલી બાજુનું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું કીધું તો આવડે કે નહીં distance change થઈ જશે yes or no sure okay chalo next torque also find torque also okay how to find torque on loop m vector cross b vector so uniform field one is the field here who will create field I1 will create field correct or not yes and torque will act on that now is the field created by I1 uniform yes no नहीं ये देखो फॉर्मूला से दे इलेक्ट्रिक सॉरी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू अ लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट वायर u0 I by 2 pi r is it uniform or not uniform uniform or not uniform magnetic field को आवे E equal to due to long straight wire mu0 I by 2 pi r okay decide तो करो is it uniform or not uniform करेंगे भाई does not depend on anything is it uniform no तो आवे P proportional to 1 by r एवं आवे છે ને જેમ દૂર જશે મેગ્નેટિક ફીલ્ડ શું થશે did you get there it is not uniform clear clear or not clear તો યુનિફોર્મ વાળું કઈ ચાલશે જ નહીં તો ટોર્ક ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે પહેલા ફોર્સ ફાઇન્ડ do you agree with me તો ચલો પહેલા ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ force આની let's call this mn as side 1 MNOP એવું લખીએ બરાબર okay MNOP तो mn ने 1 કહી દો, no ને 2 3 4. So on first one, what's the force? I find it on it. And in which direction? This force is in which direction? On mn. Up, down, left, right, dot, cross. Up. Currents are opposite. The wires will repel. तो आप और ना ऊपर लाते बच्चे दिया. F on 1. बराबर खाली 1 अंदर. और सेकंड. तो सेकंड ऊपर सेकंड में करंट के वैल्यू हो जाए हम नीचे चलते हैं. आने पर जे पण फोर्स आवશે એટલો જ ફોર્સ આની પર આવશે. Yes or no? And they will cancel each other. Realize why? Because as far as this wire is concerned, NO and MP are same. That yeah, because they are at same distance and the current direction is opposite. So અહીંયા force suppose મને ખબર નથી આ તો એમ જ force. Suppose here the force is right side. Then over here the force will be left side. Opposite. They will cancel each other. Okay? समझाए અહીંયા force onward downwards. Okay, will it be same in magnitude as F1? No, sure.
Yes.
Okay, less or more?
Less.
F3 will be less. Why? Because distance is more. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
अच्छा तो dot આવશે. Both of these forces will act from the center, correct or not? And a wire or dom. So they will always pass through center of mass. Did you get them? Three on the board always. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes or no? Why not dot? Because both of them pass through center of mass. आने ऊपर force लागे कई बाजू on second one. NO ऊपर force लागे नी डायरेक्शन फाइंड करो. F1 F3 में कर दी. F2 ની ડાયરેક્શન ફાઇન્ડ કરો. EW કરંટ આમ છે તો અહીંયા મેગ્નેટિક ફીલ્ડ ક્યાં હશે? ડોટ ક્રોસ લેફ્ટ રાઈટ અપ ડાઉન આમ થશે ને આ કરંટ આમ છે આમ બહાર નીકળશે. Yes or no?
Yes.
So the magnetic field at that point will be dot coming out as a magnetic field dot અને કરંટ નીચે છે magnetic field dot કરંટ નીચે તો શું થાય? Force के वजह outside left side sure double check કરજો જે પણ તમે આન્સર કહેતા હો make sure it is right mistake પડી જાય નહીં. Left side?
Yes.
I think so. First of all, current is downwards, magnetic field is towards you. आप करो ना हम करो तो आम दे. Is that clear? That's towards this side. Left. Got it?
Yes.
Sure. Okay. So force table जो है वो left side. And again, this wherever this acts from, no problem. But similarly here, opposite force will act from the same line. Do you understand? Because they are just the same. Understand? Okay. So that's why both these forces will exactly cancel each other. Their line of action is also same. Will they make a couple? Will they make a couple? Couple माने क्या?
No.
Two equal and opposite forces with different line of action. But here the line of action is same. What? Zero. समझानो? कारण कि आ बे नो torque is zero and आ बे नो zero. So that's why total torque unity is. Did you understand? Here no other method works. Let me tell you. Suppose मैं જોઈને એવું ન થાય કે જો સર આની મેગ્નેટિક મોમેન્ટ કઈ બાજુ આવે આમ છે એટલે મેગ્નેટિક મોમેન્ટ ક્રોસ પછી આનું મેગ્નેટિક ફીલ્ડ ડોટ તો એંગલ between them 180 torque is 0. Congratulations, answer is right but the method is horrible. કેમ કારણ કે તમે જે ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરો છો τ = md sin θ that is only valid for uniform speed. બરાબર ને આ તો સેમ કહેવાય બીજું કંઈ ન કહેવાય. Clear? Okay. Next question. હવે કે બાકી છે નહીં ને બીજા હવે સીધા ટોપિક માં જવાનું ને 12. પછી ટેક્સ્ટના ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે કરવાના છે તો એક નીકળે is probably a piece of the cover page of the text. Question 12. Negatively and uniformly charged non-conducting disk as shown in figure is rotated clockwise. Once again as shown in figure. The direction of magnetic field at point A in the plane of the disk is. A point is in the plane of the disk. Suppose this is the plane of the disk. Did you understand? એટલે અહીંયા ડિસ્ક મૂકી દે અને આ ડિસ્ક આમ મૂવ કરે અને આ A point અહીંયા સાઈડમાં છે ગોળ. Did you get it? હવે આ ફરશે. Does it have a charge? Yes. So whenever charge spins, there will be current. Yes or no? Yes. Any bottle layer technique? Yes. If a charge spins in a circle, I is equal to Q by capital T or Q into F. Right? Huh? Together? I is equal to Q upon dt. Q upon dt. Have you not discussed this? Okay, clarification. Suppose there is a charged particle Q which is revolving in a circle. So if you keep a watch at one particular point and if it will pass time, if it will pass one time, charge flow will be Q. If it will pass two times, charge flow will be 2Q. Sometimes in 1 second it will pass F times. F એટલે શું? Frequency. What's the meaning of frequency? Formula. Meaning formula. Frequency is how frequent number of times something gets repeated in 1 second or per unit time. Correct or not? Okay, so in 1 second the charge will pass how many times? F times. Is that clear or not clear? Sure. So in 1 second, how much is the charge flow through that point? Here, suppose you just keep watching here, observe this carefully. How much charge has flown through this point? Equal flow like Q. But if F times does it, did you understand? Clear or not clear? Barabar? Because if it passes one time, charge flown is Q. If it passes two times, 2Q. But it's 3Q. And charge flown in 1 second, it is okay. Charge flown in 1 second is okay. Did you understand? Actually Q is but charge flown in 1 second is I, and I is equal to QL. Clear or not clear? And meaning so, if a charged particle is revolving with frequency F, that particle is revolving with frequency F. Already. Okay, MCQ तो मैं पूछ रही तो एक था। कोई नहीं पेपर है आपको। Is this clear? पहला नोट तो होगा तो समझे क्यों नहीं? Q into F if it passes 5 times, current will be 5Q. If it passes 100 times, 100 F into Q. Okay, you can also of course write it as Q by capital T. Why so? F is equal to 1 megahertz. Is it okay? So what do we have here? We have negative charge. What is negative charge doing? It's revolving. Arm flow like clockwise. Negative charge is turning clockwise. So current will be flowing anti-clockwise. You remember that? Current is always flowing in the direction of opposite to the flow of negative. Correct? So current कैसे flow है यहाँ? Like this. Did you understand? Current is flowing in this way, बड़ी जगह है ये आगे clock. Alright? And here is pointing. So we want to find direction of magnetic field at A. Yes or no? Question I don't know. What is the direction of magnetic field at A if current is flowing like this? So solution समझाऊँ. Direction of magnetic field at A. Out of the page, into the page,
Into the page.
into the page, into the page, out of the page thing. Sentence of this goes. When you do this, you get direction of magnetic field, of course. But it is within. याद आवे छे, it is within the loop. याद આવ્યું નહીં? Yes or no? Sentence ગોતો તો ગોતી લેજો. પણ લખેલું જ છે. Within the loop, that's the direction of magnetic field. But field line કેવું થાય? અહીંયાથી બહાર આવે. પછી શું થશે? ટ્રાન્સફરીને અંદર જશે. યાદ આવે છે?
Yes.
Okay. So it will be not here, but cross over here. બધે બાર cross જ હોય. This T બાર બધી બાજુ cross, 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 cross. Did you get it? Yes. Field line બધી આમ અંદરથી નીકળશે ને આમ બહારથી વહી જશે બહાર. Got it? આવી રીતે પોઈન્ટ અંદર આવ્યો હતો. Suppose એવું કીધું કે there is a disk with a hole અને disk આમ ફરે. sorry. Disk આમ ફરે with a negative charge. અને અહીંયા પૂછે તો dot out. Is that clear? That is out of the plane. Got it? 13. Particle is moving with a velocity v vector equal to I caret plus 3j caret. Okay. Charged particle is moving. Until कोई charge अगर question आता है अपना देखा. It produces an electric field. Electric field कौन produce करे? Charge करते हैं. Okay, so there is a charged particle. It is moving with this velocity, and we are having आ लोग जो बराबर बुलाऊं जो है नहीं. Q equal to QF नहीं. I equal to QF लोग. बराबर आ तो ठीक है. Q तो समझा मत पहले. बराबर current flowing when charge is revolving. Title मार हो जाए उलग. Current flowing when charge is revolving. is I equal to QF. So here is a charge given to us in the next page, and that charge is moving with some velocity. Let's say આ ખાલી indicative picture હતો હવે પણ એવડો કે લાગે સર આમાં આવે an electric field is at a point, at some point એ ખબર નથી આપણને electric field is how much 2k at some point. Okay, let's say p point. At p, how much is the electric field? K caret. Okay. Then it will produce, it is a charge. Charge will produce magnetic field at that point equal to means at B. At T, how much is the magnetic field? Did you understand the question? Yes? No? Sure? Yes. Last one. It will produce magnetic field at that point equal to, that is how much magnetic field? Is this fine? So far the question is clear. What is C in those options? C is nothing but speed of light. I know it might be very important relation. આ ફોર્મ્યુલા તમે ટેક્સ્ટમાં આ ચેપ્ટરમાં જ આવી છે. પણ એનો ક્યાંય યુઝ નથી. આ તો આમાં આપણે યુઝ કરવો પડે એટલે લખી દઉં. બાકી ચેપ્ટર 8 માં આવી જશે. ડોન્ટ વરી. It is that 1 by mu 0 epsilon 0 is equal to c square. 1 by mu 0 epsilon 0 is c square. Okay. Questions related to this are given in chapter 8 in your text. Okay. તમારી ટેક્સ્ટમાં લખેલી છે in chapter 4 itself at one of the pages I have seen it somewhere, right? But ટેક્સ્ટમાં એનું કઈ યુઝ થાય એવું કઈ આપેલું નથી, but here we would need it. So this is given to us, right? We want to find B vector. Do you remember magnetic field created by a moving charge? Yes. Formula શું હતી? B equal to mu 0 by 4 pi. Q V vector cross R vector upon R cube. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone remember this?
Yes.
A magnetic field. What will be its magnitude? It would be mu 0 by 4 pi Q V R Q V sin theta by R square. Okay. હવે પેલા ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ફિલ્ડ નું મેગ્નીટ્યુડ શું આવે? ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ફિલ્ડ ડ્યુ ટુ અ પોઈન્ટ ચાર્જ, that is this point charge is here અને ઓલો p પોઈન્ટ અહીંયા ચાર્જ છે. તો શું આવે? E is equal to k q by r square. પેલા છે ને મેગ્નીટ્યુડ સાથે ડીલ કરીએ. Have you understood what I have written so far? R શું હશે? R will be this distance, and if you write it in vector form it will be position vector. Correct or not? Clear so far? બરાબર યાદ આવ્યું? ઓલી ફોર્મ્યુલામાં આવી રીતે જ આપણે લખ્યું r વેક્ટર ઇઝ ધ પોઝિશન વેક્ટર ઓફ પોઈન્ટ. એટલે મેગ્નીટ્યુડ ની વાત. આ બે ને ડિવાઇડ તો e by b બરાબર. તો શું કરો ડિવાઇડ k ની જગ્યાએ શું લખશું આપણે 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. e by b ડિવાઇડ કરવાનો તો શું કરતે છે? r square cancel. Okay, 4 pi cancel. સમજાય છે? Okay, q cancel. સમજાણું? બાકી થોડી e upon b એટલે epsilon 0 denominator. Okay or not okay? mu 0 denominator. Okay or not okay? હવે બાકી sin theta. v sin theta. Clear? થઈ ગયું ને? Sure. 1 upon this એટલે આ થઈ જાય 1 upon epsilon 0 c square upon v sin theta. તો આપણે b ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું ને e નહીં b ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું. what is b equal to?
Sin theta upon c.
e into v is sin theta upon c square. Okay? Okay or not okay? આટલું હોય બરાબર. તો બેઝિકલી upon c square કેમ આવે સમજાય છે?
Yes.
Okay. You see, if you want to connect all this in vector form, okay, if you want to connect all of this in vector form, so एक बार वो electric field अपने vector form में लगे तो electric field of a pointer vector form में बनाओ है, ठीक है? Electric field of a point charge q in vector form. Magnitude तो k q by r square अपने आप लिखो. ये दोस्तों vector form में लखता था ना अपने s दिशा में. k q upon r square into r है. Very good. Good. Is this fine or not fine? જાણો ને? જાણો. હવે શું કરવાનું? What this is telling you one very interesting fact that is coming out from these two. એવું દેખાય છે કે e vector is along r vector. કારણ કે આ એની ડાયરેક્શન. But b vector is perpendicular to r vector. Why so? Cross square. No.
Yes.
B vector is perpendicular to r. Very covered. Sure. Okay. So one thing is quite clear that this e vector and b vector have to be perpendicular to each other. You know that?
Yes.
Two vectors, e vector and b vector, are perpendicular to each other. So પહેલા તો ઓપ્શન્સ માં બે એવી રીતે સરસ આપ્યા છે કે આપણે એમને ખબર ન પડે. Because k caret is perpendicular to a also and k caret is perpendicular to b. સમજાય છે? તેનો સમજાણું. Clear or not clear? So what we'll have to do is we'll have to get the value. That's a general idea. હવે generally આવું થાય કે આમ જોઈને ખબર પડી જતી હોય. But here that's not enough. Let's see what happens here. E vector it is given as 2k caret. Yes or no?
Yes.
It is given as 2k caret. So any value 2 હશે. Do you agree? કેમ એવું? Any value 2 હશે because it's magnet.
Yes.
And this is r hat. So r hat in direction to k. Did you understand?
Yes.
Or not clear? Sure. હવે આ b vector. સમજાણું ને? So there are so many properties coming out here in this question. So b vector equal join mu 0 by 4 pi q v. Look at this carefully. If I would divide one r vector by one r and બાકીનું અહીંયા ડિવાઈડ કરો આ સમજાણું એનો સમજાણું
Yes.
yes no
Yes.
sure अच्छा r vector કોણ r એટલે
R hat.
r है याद है ना जी
Yes.
तो qv vector upon r square cross r है अच्छा હવે ડાયરેક્શન્સ બધી ખબર છે mu 0 by 4 pi એમને રાખી q upon r square આમાંથી તમને મળે q upon r square
2 by k.
2 by k but 2 by k એટલે 2 into 4 pi epsilon 0 have you understood this step
Yes.
ध्यान दीजिए k q by r square is 2 so what is q by r 2 upon k આ k એટલે કોણ કુલમ્બ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ બરાબર ને okay so 2 upon k is same as 2 into 4 pi epsilon 0 got it then આટલી વેલ્યુ થઈ ગઈ હવે v વેક્ટર છે આપ્યું છે
Yes.
શું છે
I
1 i caret plus 3 cross what is r hat
K.
k yes or no अच्छा હવે આ 4 pi cancel 2 m mu 0 epsilon 0 એટલે 1 by c square સમજાણું ને અહીંથી mu 0 epsilon 0 is 1 by c square હવે શું બાકી આ ક્રોસ આવડે કે નહીં કરો I caret cross k caret is
Minus
k
k.
પાક્કું
हाँ.
આ તો તઈ જલ્દી આવડે છે તમને લોકોને વાહ પછી j caret cross I caret is I caret ઓકે તો પ્લસ
તમે આ જ પૂછો છો. તમે જે ક્રોસ આઈ પૂછ્યું.
મેં j cross I પૂછ્યું
હા.
j cross k નતું પૂછ્યું
ના.
sorry so that time I was faster than myself question વિચાર્યો તો આન્સર માઇન્ડ માંથી આવી ગયો હતો ઈ જ બોલાઈ ગયો એવું કે ને ચલો વાત આ સમજાઈ ગયું ઓકે so which option matches 6 I caret minus 2j upon x. Very समझ a few very interesting properties have come out of this discussion I want you to remember एक तो आप बराबर of course useful for JW only there's no doubt about it okay, whenever a charge particle creates electric field and magnetic field what's the ratio of those fields E by B will be equal to C square by B sin theta बराबर a vector form में लिखो so E vector is in direction of R but B vector is made by cross product of these two so B vector is perpendicular to R vector B is perpendicular to R E is in direction of R so आप ये बच्चे के वेक्टर नहीं E vector will be perpendicular to B vector this is also a useful property ने आप ये याद रखो is this fine whenever a charged particle creates electric field and magnetic field then E by B is C square by B sin theta and E vector is going to be perpendicular to B vector at every point I think we might also be able to derive a relation directly between E vector and B vector and C. What's your now? Thank you. Turn it off.